at our 7th annual DIY Holiday Craft Fair, where we feature a variety of crafts that you get to make yourself with you and your family. Some of the crafts are things that we feature in classes all year long here at the ranch, but some of them are exclusive crafts that we save for events like this or for team building events when we have some of our corporate groups and family groups come visit throughout the year. Got some more intricate crafts going on, like terrarium making and wreath making. And then we also have some nice, easy stuff. This is one of our lovely events that we open to our members of the ranch, our hotel guests, and the public.